If you have not finished number 3 on our exploration, I want you to go ahead and pause this video and finish out that part and then come back and take a look. Okay, so in this piece, what I did is I went ahead and set it up as if I had 3 people working, 4 people working, and 5 people working. And when I have 3 people working, I'm able to go ahead and utilize all 3 people in doing a couple key things. My T1, T3, and T4 can all happen simultaneously. I didn't get that advantage when I only had 2 people working. Once T4 was done, I was able to start on T5 immediately because T2 is really what's hanging up the rest of all of the other things. Once T2 is completed, I'm able to get T7, T6, and T8 done simultaneously. And then with T5, that third person can pick up on T9. T10 requires that everything be done prior to completing that, so it has to wait until this T9 is done. And the chart here explains all of that as part of what we did to reference. So this is what I have, and it came out to, actually the first time I did it, it came out to 12 hours, and then I maximized things a little bit, and I got 10 hours. Okay. The next time I did it, I put 4 people on it. And the benefit here is that I'm able to take all of my prerequisite ones that have no prerequisite to move forward and put them going simultaneously. The challenge is that I can't get T2 done until T1 is finished. And T7, T8, and T6 all require 2 can be completed. T9 can be completed with just 3, 4, and 5. So because I have 3, 4, and 5 here, I can stick that T9 right after. Again, T10 requires that this whole line be done. And so I would say that we were pretty good at getting this down to 8 hours. So I did only save 2 hours, but I added another whole person. So if you were the boss of the company, you might have to decide, well, is it really worth it to hire 1 more person to get 2 more hours of productivity? Maybe it's worth it, or maybe it's okay to work the 10 hours instead of the 8 hours. All right, and then the 5th one, I went ahead and did that. And what I find again is that I'm simultaneously doing task 1, 3, 4, and 5. 2 is the one that hangs everything up, and that has to come after 1. So all of these are in the same location, and then T10 has to come after. Now notice that this T7, I could easily have plopped that, actually T7, let's look at that right here. T7 is 1 hour, and it's 2 and 3. So yeah, 2 has to be completed in order for T7 to run. But I could take that T7 and I could put it right in there. So really, I don't need this last guy. He's just kind of sitting around until it's time to do that one job. And that one job, can actually be done by Kyle. Okay? So that's how I know that I got the minimum number of hours with 4 people, because I can actually do the job of 5 people with only 4 people with the same amount of time. All right. Looking forward to diving into more notes with you.